Hello guys from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you that you never put regular uh, down dish soap to the dishwasher machine, because this is what happened to me. I didn't know, so I put a regular dish soap. And now when I turn it on, it got full of foam, and it's leaking right there. And this is the second time I tried to clean the foam, and it's a mess. Look at here, the sink. I already took the foam from here and put it here, and still there are a lot. So I hope you never put regular dish soap to your dishwasher machine, because it's gonna get nasty, and it's not a good idea. So let me show you, okay, what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna turn it on, and then I'm gonna start. Hit start, turn it on, start. And I will show you in a few minutes how get fill it up of foam. So now it's doing the cycle, but you will see in a few minutes, okay? So let's check it out, okay? Let me just open it. You see, it's a lot of foam still. And this is the third time I'm trying to rinse the machine, but the first time I had all fill it up with foam, and also here, and it was leaking underneath here. Right there, it was leaking a lot, and I have foam all of my floor, and so I had to clean it. So I just wanna show you that so I'm gonna keep continue and see if after 3 times fix the problem, okay? Okay, but I just wanted to show you, and don't do this mistake, because it's really bad. It takes a lot of time to remove the foam and to rinse it. So I hope this is not your case, but I'll always buy the regular soap for dishwasher machine, okay? So thank you so much for watching my video, and check my other videos. Give me like, subscribe, ask me questions, and have a nice day. Thank you.